Hi friends, let's see what's hiding under the scoops. It's the letter S. S. It goes here. Letter S. S is for sun. It's the letter T. T. It goes here. Letter T. It's the letter U. U. It goes here. Letter U. It's the letter V. V. It goes here. Letter V. It's the letter W. W. It goes here. Letter W. It's the letter X. X. It goes here. Letter X. We found letters S, T, U, V, W, X. 2 letters are still missing. It's the letter Y. It goes here. Letter Y. It's the letter Z. It goes here. Letter Z. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We found all the letters from A to Z. That was fun. Let's do it again.